The new vehicle is the first in the industry to be equipped with Xintu 9AT transmission, which further improves powertrain efficiency and reduces comprehensive fuel consumption per 100 km to 8.2 L. The official price starts at 140,300 yuan. In terms of appearance, the Xintu V80 9AT inherits the appearance design of the Xintu V80. The front face shape features the Chinese ding element. The parametric dot matrix front grille is matched with the upgraded LED headlight assembly, which looks very Chinese and stylish for the entire series. At the same time, the headlight assembly of the Xintu V80 9AT has the Accompany Home interactive function, which can delay the headlights from turning off when locking the car and automatically turn on the sensor lights in dark places. The Xintu V80 9AT, which has a square design on the side and rear of the vehicle, provides ample space for carrying cargo, better guaranteeing the interior space, increasing the interior volume of the vehicle to 11.4 cubic meters. In addition, it offers a combination of 2 to 15 seats to ensure the convenience of loading and unloading goods. The interior height is 1925 mm, and the floor height is only 540 mm from the ground, which can meet the requirements of forklift pallets entering and exiting, and facilitates the transportation of large luggage and goods. In terms of interior, the design style is consistent with the Xintu V80. The center console adopts a multifunction steering wheel plus high-definition touchscreen configuration, and is equipped with a smart audio radio that supports mobile phone connection plus voice control plus online entertainment functions. It looks standard but does not lack intelligence. It is also worth mentioning that in order to facilitate fleet management, the Xintu V80 9AT is equipped with an intelligent fleet management system with electronic chip function, which can monitor and distribute vehicles in real time. In terms of safety, laser welding technology is used, the usage rate of high-strength and ultra-high-strength steel reaches 50%, and there are airbags for both the driver and the front passenger. At the same time, the new car also features Bosch ESP body stability system, front Radar+BSD+LCA blind spot warning system and lane change assist, four-wheel disc brakes plus TPMS tire pressure monitoring system and other functions that can further ensure driving safety. In terms of power, it is equipped with SAIC's Pi 2.0T high-performance engine with a maximum power of 108 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 375 Nm, which is an improvement over the Xintu V80's maximum torque of 340 Nm. In terms of transmission, it is equipped with the Xintu 9AT transmission, which has been significantly improved compared to the Xintu V80 6MT/6AT transmission. The Ford Transit T8 Xintu 8AT transmission also has some advantages over competitor products. In terms of fuel consumption, the overall fuel consumption per 100 km can be as low as 8.2 L.